When you start working on your online course, once you're clear on your target audience, what problems you'll be solving, the first thing you need to do is organize your course outline. And that's basically your blueprint, your foundation for the course. But it's not as easy as you may think, or you might be actually wondering, how do I create a course? Well, first thing you need to do is create a course outline, and maybe that's exactly why you're here on this video. So I'm about to share with you a lesson from my Course Creation Launch Mastery course. There's actually a link in the description if you want to check it out. But in this lesson, I'll break it down. How do you create your course outline so that you can create the best course possible? Also, if you like our team to help you create and launch your very own master online course, there's a link where you can learn more about our company, book a call, and our team of 22 people will help you write, produce, and launch. Enjoy the video. It is so important that you don't jump in and start writing your content. Often our clients, they get so excited, they go, oh, I have this great lesson. They jump in and start writing out the content before they actually have finished the whole blueprint. And that's why you need to organize your course outline. You need to be clear on course outline before you dive in and actually produce the content. It's like your blueprint, right? So imagine going and building your home before you start building the staircase, before you actually know what the house will look like. Is it 2-story? Is it 3-story? Does it have 3 windows up front or 5 windows out front? So you need to get very, very clear on all of those things before you dive in and create content. It's gonna save you so much time and so much headache. I like simplicity. I like step-by-step process. So here's what I'd like you to do to organize your content. So kind of built from the previous lesson. So first, again, modules. And then within those modules, we're gonna have lessons. But now I'm gonna teach you a very, very powerful, very simple but powerful strategy to stay organized. So each module is numbered, like module 1, module 2, module 3, module 4. You get the idea. And then within those modules, you name each lesson. There will be, of course, the name of the lesson, but in front of that lesson, there will be a number. Like in module 1, lesson 1 would be 1.1. Lesson 2 be 1.2, you get the idea. Then module 2, 2.1, 2.2, 2.3, things like that. So every single lesson, instead of you working with a full name, you always work with numbers. And if you move things around, you can rearrange the numbers as well. It's not a big deal at all. It's gonna be very, very helpful when you go to the production and when you start organizing your course. You need to see exactly where each lesson is. And when you need to slate, if you're ever gonna slate or make a note, you don't have to write out the big name of the lesson. You simply, like if you notice right here, what we do here, we write out 3.6. You don't have to get so fancy with slates and all that, but it's very helpful to stay on track naming these courses instead of with the full name, because the full name might also change later. So again, organize your content, make sure it makes sense the way it flows, and then now organize them with numbers. Each module, modules 1 to 7. I think we have 7 modules or 8 modules in this course, and then each lesson is assigned a number. So that's very, very helpful. That's very powerful. So now what I like you to do is start creating your outline. Modules, the big picture, big ideas. Within those big modules, lessons, smaller ideas. The big idea is broken down into step-by-step process. So go ahead. There's an example attached here. Copy that. There's an example, and then at the bottom says it's your turn. That's really what we mean. It's your turn. You need to go ahead, start outlining your course, and when you have your first draft, continue with the next lesson. I'll see you there. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this lesson from my Course Creation and Launch Mastery course that I gave you completely free of charge. I hope you got more confidence, that you have knowledge to share, and most importantly, how to keep moving forward. Again, if you'd like to get more support, there's a link to my Course Creation Mastery course. You can get the whole course for $47. It couldn't be any cheaper. Or if you like our team to help you create and launch your very own online course, there's a link as well. Book a call, and we look forward to helping you along your journey so that you can create a digital product that you can scale your business with. See you soon.